Hey y'all, hey my divas and divos. I just want to come back quickly to show you guys my fireplace lit up in my living room. I didn't have it on when I did my home tour, which is actually just my living room and dining room, because you guys already seen my makeover from my bedroom and my bathroom upstairs. Yeah, so I haven't done my kitchen yet, and I will be doing that closer to Christmas, probably after Thanksgiving. We'll see. But yeah, it's my fireplace all lit up. Just thought you guys would like to see it all lit up. I don't know why I didn't think of having it lit up when I did the house tour thingy, but the house tour video, but I didn't. But yeah, it's beautiful. I'm so happy I painted it with the white chalk paint instead of having it the dark cherry wood color. Um, and as you can see, it's actually like a fireplace TV stand, but I didn't want it to be that. I wanted it to be a mantle. So the piece that sat on top where the nativity scene is, as you can see, I got me two small columns on each side, and I lifted that up, and that became my mantle. So I have two places to put decor, on top and in the middle. My fireplace, it can either be decorative, or I can push a button and it'll kick heat out and it will heat this whole room. I think it heats up to 600 square feet. So yeah, just wanted you guys to see my fireplace all lit up. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for supporting. Uh, this is Deja the Diva. Click that like and subscribe button, and please do share with the rest of the community, your family and friends. I love you guys to life. Act blessed, walk blessed, talk blessed, and be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. And please do practice random acts of kindness. Thank you and have a blessed day.